Right, I'm helping you, okay? Let's go again. This is lesson number 3, parallel parking number 3 with the new, very experienced driver. It's 3 times, does the exercise, okay? Closer. Now we are again attempting to start the parallel parking in a parallel universe where she is the perfect parallel driving driver slash truck driver. She is the truck driver. All right, very good, you got it. Okay, go, advancing. Okay, now you can straighten the wheel. Wow, she has intuitive understanding of the, that is strange for a woman to have like such a intuitive understanding about maneuvering. Very good. Wow, stop a little bit. Now let me see. Okay, now you go again. Yes, now go. Yes, go back. Yes, fantastic. You are doing such a good work. You have mastered the ability to park parallel. Wow, look at these people, look at that. Look, I am amazed. Stop. Now straighten the wheel so I can, I can brag about myself a little bit. All right, and I will show you guys for only how many lessons we have for the parallel parking. This is like the 3rd one, I guess.
4th, 5th.
4th, okay. So there has been only 4 lessons parallel parking, and this woman, that she's a woman. Just let's make sure that you guys understand that's like women.
Thanks for clarifying it for your audience, by the way.
All right.
They can see that I am.
No, I'm saying because we assume that they don't know how to drive, but this is only 4 lessons, and look at the parking from the 4th lesson just starting right now. That is like, like 98% of the man population cannot do that parking. Now keep in mind, this is not a regular car that this student is driving. This is a huge taxi car. That is not your average sedan. This is twice the length of the sedan, and it's very the visibility in the front window, in the front windshield, it's not so good, but our student, the famous Maria Duran, the Józsek, has mastered.
About teacher, not about the student. It's always 90% about teacher.
Yes, in my good hands, things are happening. So now look at the parking, and like, who can do that after 4 lessons? Please understand that she never drove a car in her life before. We have so that I called, my friends, that is called good parking skills. Parallel parking, by the way, it's not an easy thing, right? So there you go. Now we continue. Fantastic. Now when you have such a good student, you have to give them a candy. You have to like set up some reward system. You can tap them like this and say good driver. You do like this, good driver, so they feel good about themselves, and that's it. Fantastic. Now we can go again. All right, I think we have accomplished the task after 4 training lessons, for about each one about 20-30 minutes, I guess, something like this, not more than 20 minutes. We have accomplished the task to do parallel parking with this huge vehicle that is not easy to maneuver. I can tell you, even when I first jumped into this car, I was a little bit, not very comfortable with the car dimensions, because that's like a very boxy car. Keep in mind, you have 0 visibility in the back, so you always have to use this little shitty camera thing here, the monitor, which is also not good. This is also very
watch me.
Poor quality. I am watching you. Everybody is watching you. You are the best. Where are you going? You're gonna park again? You're gonna do the same exercise again? All right, fantastic. Now she has the power. She controls the universe. She is best. She is so good. And yeah. Okay, go forward. Go bravely forward. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna tell you now the joke about this parallel parking, right?
Okay, straight now.
All right, fantastic. There is a joke about the parallel parking. Okay, we are like super close, the way it's supposed to be. Mirror to mirror, body to body, body to body, jump to jump. All right, this is how close we are. Okay, now let's start the maneuver and I will tell you the joke. You know, like one driver with a car does not have visibility in the back and he is asking some pedestrian to assist him, to tell him. So the pedestrian, all right, oh wow, what a skills. So the pedestrian is giving him direction and the direction are simply go back, 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 and all of a sudden, boom, some big crash. The pedestrian go to the driver and tells him, now,
Can you watch?
yes, I'm watching.
Is it enough space?
Yes, it is. You are the best. You already have mastered, you have mastered the skill. So yeah, that's it. The pedestrian gives direction to the driver and he say, come back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, and all of a sudden the driver hears like a huge sound, boof, and the pedestrian goes to the driver and tells him, now come outside and see what you did. You got it? Did you get that? That is the joke. It's like kind of, you know, Bulgarian Slavic joke. And I'm the same. Just go, 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 go. Now come outside and see what you did. All right.
Too far.
It's a little bit, but let's discuss. It's not too far. It's actually, yeah. It is not too far, but it's not perfect. Yeah, in the back is far. You know, in the back is 2 feet. Here in the front is like, yeah, it's not good. Okay, we are actually well parked here. We can pass. This can pass, but we want to be perfect. So now let's go back and let's repeat. Yeah, let's do again the maneuver again. All right, all right, all right. Straight on, straight on. Yes, fantastic. Very good, very good. All right, yeah, all right, all right. Look in the mirrors from time to time. For some crazy drivers, people that drive garbage trucks are extremely pleasant people. They run over goats, deers, kids, animals, dogs. That might happen to be your dog, so watch out. They are extremely good drivers, the garbage truck
Can you look?
drivers. I am not supposed to look. I'm here supposed to entertain the audience.
But I'm still learning.
You are still learning. You are the
Closer?
best. You are learning and earning. Yes, go, 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 go. Yes, you're doing very well. You
Can I
are.
turn?
Yes, yeah. Now you are good. Now you can go straight on the car. All right, fantastic, fantastic. Now the task here, okay, a little bit closer to the car. Yes, yes, yes. The idea here is that we have to parallel close to that vehicle here, and yeah, that's right. That is perfect. Now we are totally parallel to the vehicle, front bumper to front bumper. Here the back bumper to the back side. Okay, now we start the maneuver. All right, the maneuver consists of one move, one good move, and you can go to heaven with this maneuver. Just one maneuver and you can get, all right, it's time. Yes, fantastic. This driver, it's getting better and better and better by the second. Fantastic, fantastic. Wow, I am amazed. I am shocked how this student can learn this such a difficult maneuver for such a short time with such a confidence. This driver is the most successful student I've ever seen. Okay, right, fantastic. Now you can straighten the wheel and you can complete the maneuver and and right, and now you have to move forward a little bit to get to lock the car. And now, yes, fantastic. All right, now a little bit backwards, fantastic, with the little micro maneuver. Okay, just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, all right, all right, fantastic. Now I'm so amazed, I'm so excited about the results. I want to show you the results again. Wow. And wow, I cannot believe my eyes. That is amazing. Look at this parking. You see, this is by the book. It's not by the book, it's like by the law. It's by the law, parking by the law, parking by the book, parking. It is, who can park like that? So here is the new student. How are you? How do you feel about your accomplishments this morning? Wow, that was amazing.
Thank you, Mr. Teacher.
Wow. Oh.
What are you doing?
Wow. Interesting student. Wow. All right, but I mean, the skills are here, like you can see, that's the proof. All right. So, well, I think that's enough for the videotaping for the moment, right? You can tell them something about driving. So what did you learn? If you, as a new driver, if you can give one tip for successful learning, what that would be? One or two tips for new students that are about to start to learn to drive and park and do all these maneuvers.
Number one, find a good teacher who is very patient, who is not yelling at you, otherwise, who is not panicking. Because I know, like, some friends of mine, they're complaining that they're like boyfriends, girlfriends, whatever, teaching them how to drive, and they're panicking. So they give them the wheel, and then they're like, no, don't do it here. Oh no, stop. And this person, my teacher, he's never panicking, and he's always very calm and very patient. And number two is your 3 C's. Just be consistent and the results will come.
The 3 C's. What is that? Explain to them, like, in briefly, because this is we have time to explain this in a like 1 minute.
Yeah. Ivan was once so very inspired, and he had this epiphany. So he came up with this rule of 3 C's, which means consistency, compounds, consequence.
That's right.
So yeah.
Explain each one. Consistency.
If you're consistent,
compounds. Consequences.
Yeah. I just said, but
yes.
How to clarify each word. Okay.
All right,
in the next video we'll clarify it.
Let me tell you about the driving. If you consistently continue to drive and learn to drive, it will compound in very good driving skills, and the consequences will be you are going to become excellent driver. That's it. Consistency compounds consequences. That's it. Cheers. That's it. And we're gonna elaborate on that, because this is one of the big things in life, that you can actually build your life around these 3 C's and either fail or either like be whatever you like to be: healthy, successful, rich. I mean, the 3 C's works in the dark side of life too. If you consistently fail to go to your classes, you will compound misery and frustration in your life, and the consequences will be you may never have your driver license.
Yeah.
So that's it for the moment. Tell them to these people who are like really want to learn to drive, tell them to subscribe.
So beautiful people of this world, you're all beautiful. just because you're watching us. Okay, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm sure you're all beautiful people of this world. If you want to learn how to drive, subscribe to our very diverse channel and watch my progress.
Our channel is about how to drive through life, basically.
Yeah, that's even deeper than driving just a car.
Yeah, that's very
So-
very well said.
Subscribe.
Successfully drive through life. Drive through life successfully, not miserably. Subscribe. All right. The famous Jožek Maria Duran.